Good morning, physical science and biology. We are back here on question number 3 from our quest worksheet. Number 3 asks you to explore predictions. All right, so a prediction is just another word for hypothesis. And how do you write a hypothesis is basically what you're doing in number 3. So yesterday we posed our comparative question in video 2. Our comparative question was, is this animal a mammal or an amphibian? All right. And all the hypothesis is what you think the answer to the comparative question is. So usually your hypothesis is based on, and it says in the worksheet here, either your background knowledge or some additional research that you have done. So one of the things you don't know about Ms. DeFreitas is that she loves amphibians, and I even did some research on amphibians in Costa Rica. I did research on amphibians in Illinois, and I've educated a number of people on how to collect data on frogs in their areas of the United States. So that's just one of my things that I love. So I really feel like I have good enough background knowledge to go ahead and make my hypothesis and say very surely that the animal is a mammal, which answers that comparative question. When you write your hypothesis, you don't want to use any pronouns like I think this animal is a mammal, or he thinks, or she thinks, or it is. You don't want to use any pronouns. No pronouns. Science writing doesn't typically use pronouns. It's very direct, concise, and concise means short and sweet and to the point. And so notice again that my hypothesis is that it is right to the point. The animal is a mammal. And that's exactly how you should write your hypothesis as well. So all you do is go back and look at your comparative question and write what you think the answer is, either based on a little bit of research that you've done or your background knowledge. All right, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon about number 4 coming up. All right, see ya. Bye.